Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you these 5 different cards for scrapbook. So this is the second part of the scrapbook. In my first part I have shown you guys how to make base of circle shaped scrapbook. I will link it down below in the description box. You can go there and check it out. So today I'm going to show you these 5 different cards in different techniques. If you are new here to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And in my next I will show you 5 more cards in my next part. So I have made all in green, light green, white color, because the main color of my scrapbook is this. So let's get started with the tutorial. First card, circular waterfall card. So for circular waterfall card, cut 5 circles of 6 cm and 5 circles of 5 cm, like this, as they can. Now paste the 5 cm circle on the 6 cm circle. Like this. Repeat this step on all the circles. So here I have taken a stripe of paper of 3 cm by 29.5 cm. See, here I have done this on all the circles. Now I have scored it from keeping the distance from the circle here. Here I have scored, and then I have make a gap of 1 cm and I have scored it. Now apply glue on one by one on 5 circles and paste these circles. The gap I have taken is 1 cm. Now adjust the shape of the circle. Now take a sheet of approximate length and fold it like this and insert it in this part and apply glue. Now paste the last circle on this part which I have added, like this. Now our waterfall card is ready. It was not sticked properly, let it dry. Cut the approximate length of the downside. Now I am going to round the corner of it using 4 mm corner punch. If it is not looking okay, I am doing it with 10 mm. Take paper of any dimension and open the circle cutter of 11 centimeter, or you can draw the circle and then cut it with scissor. Now place the compass here, circle cutter here, and leave this part from upside, like from here, and cut your circle. I have folded the paper into half as we need 2 circles. You can directly draw with scissor and cut it out. After cutting, it will look like this, like a notebook. It will open like this. You can directly draw with compass and then you can cut with scissor. But with circle cutter, it will be look more neat. Now fold the paper into half like this. You have to fold only the upper circle into half. I am using this knife. It comes with scoring board. It is perfect for paper creasing. Now cut one more circle of 11 centimeter. Here I have cutted one circle of 11 centimeter. Now you have to paste a circle on this part here. Apply glue. Paste it like this. Apply glue on only the half circle. Now here I have taken this embellishment which says special movements and apply double-sided tape on it. Now paste it like this. When you will lift the circle, it will act like a stand for it to stand. Now I am taking this paper dolly, apply glue on this paper dolly, paste this paper dolly on this front in the center. Pop all the bubbles and fill in the surface. Now I am taking this flower embellishment and applying glue, and I am pasting it here like this. So you can paste or write pictures or write sentiments here. It will look perfect to add inside the scrapbook like this. It is a secret place, like you can write many messages inside also. Here we can write sentiments or paste pictures here, pictures or any messages inside it. I can add it in the scrapbook like this. Cut 2 circles of one of 11 centimeter and one of 12 centimeter. Mark them from the center and draw a line from the center and trace this small circle on the big circle like this. Trace this small circle on the big circle and draw a line from here like this and cut this line till this part like this. Now erase all the lines. Take the small circle and cut it from the center also. Mark it like this and this one like this. Now insert the circle inside it like this. Take any small piece of paper in long length and apply some tape on it
and paste it
on this circle, on the back side of the circle like this I am doing. Now here I have taken a stripe of 8 by 1 centimeter. Now paste it here
right here and paste
this stripe like this. Now take a small piece of sellotape and paste it. Apply the tape from this part to this part. I have pasted one long stripe of paper. Because the length of this stripe was short, I will suggest you to take a long piece of stripe to paste it here. Now apply glue on this part. Paste it inside your scrapbook. Apply glue on this parts only. And paste your pictures on the circles. On this small circle paste picture number 1 and on this big circle paste picture number 2. You have to crop the pictures in circle shape and then cut it. Here paste it one picture and here paste second picture. Here you can paste one picture number 1 and here you can paste picture number 2. So it will spin like. Now cut 4 circles of 10 cm and fold them into half like this. Like this I have folded all the 4. Now join them like this as I am doing. Like this. Now apply glue. Now I have cutted a square of 10 by 10.5 cm. Now paste the here inside the card. Our circular envelope fold card is ready. Cut a circle of 15 centimeters. Now fold the circle into half. Then again fold it. Now fold it from here. Now take the circle and paste it. Apply glue on the squash card. Paste it like this. Cut the excess part. It will open and close like this. This is a unique shape card. You have seen this almost in third shape, square shape, but in circle shape you have not seen. So I make in circle shape. Now let's decorate the front. Now I am decorating it with paper dolly. I have taken, so our 5 different cards for scrapbook is ready. So I have shown you guys this circular squash card, circular shape waterfall card, circle shape and envelope card, and circle easel card, and circular photo spin card. In my next video I will show you how to make 5 more cards for scrapbook. And please do watch the first part of base of circle scrapbook if you have not watched it yet. And please do subscribe my channel if you are new here, and don't forget to press the bell icon and give this video a big thumbs up. And do comment your opinions, suggestions. I hope you like this craft. So stay tuned for next part.